What a catch! Spaceship noises. So this is, what is this? World Series Baseball 2K2. This is a retail disc, which is currently running on, as you probably guessed from the title of this video, the Sega Dreamcast Set 5.24 dev box. HKT-0120. So, one good thing I've come across is that it reads GD-ROMs. So that is an absolute big tick in my book. Very happy with that. Let's just have a quick look at the front here. So here's the panel. So dip switches, rotary switch. I think the rotary switch is more to do with regions and whatnot. Haven't actually looked at any documentation really yet. The only thing I have looked at is this little these dip switches. So up is on, down is off. So with 1 and 2 on, it seems to boot to VGA mode, and with 1 and 2 off, it boots to composite mode on my giant TV that you can probably see there in the background. It's much bigger than my old one. In fact, I think I might have got one that's slightly too big, but never mind. So we're going to power this down. Oh, also at the moment, this little red thing up the back there, that is an SD card thing. I need to hook this into my development PC and try and get that formatted and possibly get World Series Baseball or some sort of other beta or prototype game onto this unit to see what it can do, really. So we're flicking these switches around. So if I flick 4 up, what it actually does, something very cool. So if you're composite mode on when you flick that switch, it doesn't care. It just it sends you straight to VGA. Well, actually, it flicks over to the TV for a moment, but then does flick over to here. Apparently, you just can't run this on VGA. Sorry, composite. It's been a while. So it actually goes through and does some tests. So since I'm recording on an iPhone, an old iPhone, we might as well watch it. You got some version numbers up the top there. Some clocks and buses and IDs. Wonder if I turn the rotary switch, will the country code change? No, we might as well watch this. So at the moment it's testing the SH4 function and critical check, which, you know, sounds kind of important, given that the SH4 is sort of the main CPU for the damn thing. This is the most boring of all the tests. There's World Series Baseball 2K2. Oh, done. Okay, good. Now we get some ugly patterns. When I used to repair computers, we used to see very similar patterns. And then they'd usually fail because they were under some sort of recall program. Which was always fun. Hopefully I don't get a fail on that one. Good. Ooh, it's very familiar looking. Whoa! Those are Sonics. Gotta say, this dev box is bloody noisy. Whoa, Dreamcast swirls. Whoa, Dreamcast swirl on a Dreamcast donut? No, more Dreamcast swirls. Oh, we've got a whole bunch of ticks. Or OKs. Now here's where the fun begins. Well, not this one, but the next one. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Spooky. Anyone see Battlestar Galactica? What does that thing down the bottom remind you of? Whew. Scary. So, we'll just try flicking the... doesn't change the country code. Must have to power cycle it. I should have taken note as where it was. Whoa, what is that? Alright, VGA 100%. Look, it's the French flag almost. What the hell did I just set that to? Let's try a different one. What's this one do? Whoa! Ah. Oh, that's cool. So, moving the rotary switch off an actual... off the correct region, assuming that the rotary switch does handle regions, actually makes it do different tests. That's pretty cool. I would like to find PAL though, because I want to have a go of Sonic Adventure. It's on my bucket list. Sonic Adventure 2, that is. Out of range. Whoa! Okay, that's cool. It's, it popped it up on the big screen, which I wasn't expecting. Country code 8 reserved. Aging mode. Okie dokie. Well, let's flip it around to a different one. I was reading that Dreamcast. Come on, go back to the main screen. Main screen turn on. Well, we could do this again. Ah! Computers, aren't they magnificent? Well, I'm pretty sure I saw the word Holly something. So that's kind of fun. Anyway, flick it around another switch, give it a reset. Whoa. Okay, G2 link program. So that's up on the big screen again. Hi, Mum. Yep, so I probably don't want to be in that because I don't know anything about that just yet. Give me time, I will learn. master mode for G2 Link program something something something, no one cares. Do we eject that GD-ROM? Whoa, set disk and closed door. Alright, alright, need to get mad at me. Your ugly ass font. It's hideous. Oh, go figure. Go figure. The one test that tests the GD-ROM is the time I eject the disk. So it's just scanning the whole disk. That is going to take ages. So I think that was it at 9 o'clock. Thereabouts. Check file not thong. They could have put that on a different line. Gotta say, it's kind of fun not knowing what it's going to do. Who knows, it might explode. All auto check. Oh, this is a few more. Maple check. I think I had maple check on the other one, that G2 modem, which doesn't look like it's going to test, but it's there. In a slightly different order. It's kind of fun. It's nice that they built all this in. It's too bad they couldn't have done it on, say, a retail Dreamcast. Board check. Okay. Board check's boring. Now I think about it, I probably... Oh no, it'll tell me if it finally finds some sort of country code. Oh, we've gone up to the big screen again. MP-WS1 check. Yeah, sounds good to me, Sega. Ah, there we go, I found NTSC-U. That's good. Must be close to PAL. Of course, if I'd turned the damn switch anti-clockwise, I would have got here a lot quicker. But I didn't. Whoa, straight into the tests. Oh, I see, it's on 2 now. It's a little number. Now it's on 3. What's 3 going to give us? Holly S-Bus check. Which chip is Holly? Why haven't I seen PAL? What this other switch does. It's another switch on the called slide switch, which is appropriate, I suppose. Wonder what it's going to do. Video is here. Yeah, I don't know what that switch does. Oh well, we're back to where we started. Anyway, thanks for watching. Been a bit of a long video about nothing, but I thought you needed to know that I am doing something with these things. Yeah, that's cool. Built-in self-check tests. Thanks for watching. This is McRetro signing off for now anyway.